On this cruise, as you can see here, we were on the Carnival Celebration, and we were in room 14231. With a quick walkthrough of the room, the first thing I'll point out is the balcony. That was by far my favorite part of this room, and definitely the main reason why we booked this type of room. As you can see, you have two chairs and a small table, and being able to step out on the balcony and get some fresh air and be able to look over the ocean with some peace and quiet was one of my favorite features of this room. This room is on the right side of the ship, though, so at all of the ports, you will not be able to see any land. You'll just be looking over the ocean. So we had them make our bed up into the king bed, which was really just two twins pushed together, but it was overall a pretty comfortable bed, and you couldn't really tell that it was two pushed together, which was nice. The bathroom for this room was pretty small, but overall it was not bad at all. It was pretty tight, so we could only have really one person in there at a time. But the shower actually had a door, which not all of the ships in Carnival's fleet does, which was really nice instead of it just being a curtain. The water gets super hot, so make sure that you test that out before you get in. The overall room was a little bit bigger than I was expecting. You have a lot of space to put your stuff there, and the couch, we didn't really use it very much. We just kind of used it to lay our clothes out. But if you had a family with you, you'd be able to make it out into a bed, I believe. And the closet had more than enough space for the two of us. We also had one safe in the left side of the closet, which we stored our passports and everything in. But overall, we had plenty of space to put our clothes in. Overall, this was a really nice room, and I would highly recommend getting a balcony room on the Carnival Celebration.